Welcome everyone. In this video we will be covering divisibility test. So divisibility test is a mathematical topic which is useful for every grade right from earlier grades to your higher level grades. So we will be covering a few tips and tricks which will be very useful for competitive exams. First, let us check out the divisibility test rules. For a number to be divisible by 2, the number should be even. That's it. The number should be even. For example, let us pick 26. 26 should be an even number, so it is divisible by 2. If I say 25, it is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So, divisibility by 3. The sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Let us pick an example. Let's say we have 18. So, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now, is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. So, the number is eventually divisible by 3. For 4, the last two digits should be divisible by 4. For example, I have a number say 124. So the last two digits in this are 24, right? So 24 is divisible by 4. So it is the answer. And another example, or let's say you can say exceptional rule. For example, you have two zeros at the end, 100. So 100 is divisible by 4. Divisibility test by 5. So the last digit should either be 0 or it should be either 5. So for divisibility test by 5, let us pick a number 55. Last digit is 5, it is divisible. 2070, a big number. Last digit is 0, it is eventually divisible by 5. 5 and 10 are the easiest ones, and even 2. 2, if you have to check divisibility by 2, you just have to check if the number is even. Now for 6, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So let us pick an example 216. Since it is an even number, it is divisible by 2, right? And for divisibility by 3, 2 plus 1 plus 6. So we'll add each and every digit of the number, sum of digits, what we call it. It is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So yes. Now for divisibility by 7, it is not as important, it is not very frequently asked. So let us not concentrate on that for now. Divisibility by 8, last two digits should be divisible by 8. For example, 4096. 096. You can assume it to be 96, and 96 is divisible by 8. 12 8s are 96. 12 into 8 is equal to 96. For the number divisible by 9, the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Same as 3. If I pick a number, say 729. So 7 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So it is eventually divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10 is also very easy. Last digit should be 0. That's it. Any number, say 10,000, last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. That's it. That is very simple. Now for divisibility by 11, say if I have a number 1331. So what am I going to do? This is a bit important, and this is most people find it slightly complicated, but it is very easy. First, check number of digits. The number of digits are 4. So what you do is map the alternate digits. First digit with third digit, second digit with fourth digit, and after that add the two digits. So first with third, first plus third, and second plus fourth. So first plus third will give you 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Second plus 4, that is 3 and 1. It will give you 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and subtract both of them. Subtract the result. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. If the result is 0, then the number is divisible by 11. For 12, the number should be divisible by both 3 and 4. Let us pick 108. So for 108, 1 plus 0 plus 8, divisibility test for 3 is 9. It is divisible by 3. And for 4, we will check last two digits, which are 0, 8, and 8 is divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 4 as well. Now for divisibility test by 13, this is also slightly important. See what happens. Say if you have a number, just a minute. So you have a number 182. 4 times the last digit when added to the rest of the number. So 4 times the last digit. What is the last digit? Here the last digit is 2. 4 times the last digit. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Now if I add to the remaining number, to the rest of the number, or to the remaining number. So remaining number is 18. See, we extracted 2 and multiplied it by 4. So 18 plus this 8, it gives you 26, and 26 is definitely divisible by 13. So the number is divisible by 13. Now these tricks are very important for competitive exams. So let us look at a few questions. So this question is was asked in IMO, International Mathematics Olympiad, for class 8. So for this you have to check which of the following numbers is divisible by 8. So for this question, obviously the only choice to answer is by looking at the options. So we will look at the options one by one. And for 8 you have to check last 3 digits, right? Check the last 3 digits of every number. 234. Divide 234 by 8. This is slightly longer procedure, but once you practice a lot of questions, you solve questions from here and there, you ask the help of AI tools. So you will obviously gain a lot more practice. We are dividing, and 74 is not divisible, so we extract this option. We cancel this option. 456. Interesting option. 456 divided by 8. Yes, we have our answer C. 57. When you divide, you get your answer 50 as 57. So 230, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20,456 divided by 8 is 50. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not the case. This is not your answer. But we do come to know that it is divisible by 8. So the answer is option B. Next question. Which of the following numbers is divisible by both 7 and 13? Now for 7 we will directly divide, but first let us eliminate the numbers divisible by question. 8712. So take the first two digits, keep it as it is, and multiply the last digit by 4 and add it. So it becomes 871 plus 2 into 4, which is 8. So it becomes 879. Now we will apply the same trick once again. So 879, if it's my answer, so I will pick 879. So 87 plus 9 into 4. So it becomes 87 plus 36. You have to do this quickly in the rough work. So you get 123. Now is 123 divisible by 13? It is not divisible. So we cancel this option. Moving on to next option, 8736. So you get 873 plus 6 into 4, which is 24. So 873 plus 24, 7. This is 897. You get 897. Applying the same trick again. 89 plus 7 into 4, which is 89 plus 28. 89 plus 28, 107.